let's summarize. 4 different types of companies. Highest end, highest quality, BMW. Good value choice, Toyota. Bargain basement, Walmart. And then there's the user experience, the Starbucks model. People are paying more because for some reason they perceive your quality is better. Brand loyalty, maybe it's environmental concerns, maybe it's industrial designer, maybe because it looks so smooth, elegant, maybe it solves a really interesting problem, right? Maybe you guys have found something. But here is where most consumer product companies are. What kills their position in the market? What makes them lose to the Toyota brands? This. Not worth the price. Those type of reviews. Okay? Why do people give those type of reviews? People are irrational. Predictably irrational. Great book. How do you protect yourself against irrational expectations of your product? 5 checks to run. The maximum load fatigue. Make sure to include those compromised material properties, right? Some people think that's what sunk the Titanic. Compromised steel. Not bad design, too much sulfur in the steel. That's another webinar. Being dropped. Okay, better set up those physical drop tests, like for the iPhones. Overheating under use. Make sure you use the right type, Flow versus Sim Pro. Do that free sustainability check. See if there's anything simple you can change to make your parts a lot more environmental friendly. That's what will embarrass companies if bloggers find it out. And finally, can you even make it? Injection molding simulation. Save you guys some time. Get the product on the shelves by Christmas. What to do next? Figure out what's important for you, which of these 5 checks you want to do,